Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions, Day 8, HLOOKUP. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Let's get started with our Day 8, HLOOKUP. Very similar to what we learned in VLOOKUP, and this is HLOOKUP. Generally, why do we say V or H? V stands for vertical, H stands for horizontal. So these are all vertical, the columns are called verticals, and these rows are horizontal. General mathematics, maybe physics. Yeah. Right. In HLOOKUP, in VLOOKUP, if when you remember, we were looking at vertically. Here was the employee ID, then we had name and then title vertically. But here, HLOOKUP, say example, you have data horizontally presented like this. Suppose say this data is a planet versus the specs. Here I have Earth and Mars and their surface temperature and mass values, right? Now using HLOOKUP, we can find out any specifications of either the Earth or Mars or any number of columns data what you have, right? Let me demonstrate it for you. Here I choose the planet, and here I need the surface, and here I need the mass. So here planet name goes, and using the formula we will calculate the surface and the mass value of this planet. It could be any planet in the table range. Right. HLOOKUP goes very similar to what VLOOKUP, however with one small change. Let me show you that. Number one, the first argument we need is the lookup value, which is this, the Earth itself, Earth where we are looking at, and then the table array. This is my table. I'm going to fix it using F4 function, right? Comma, row index number. Now in this section, we are finding out the surface. So now in this table, surface is in the second row. In VLOOKUP, you choose the column index. In HLOOKUP, you choose the row index. Now row number one, row number two. In our table, what is the row that HLOOKUP should search for? So row number one, row number two is our surface. So I'm going to use 2 here. And as usual, we'll use 0 to make sure HLOOKUP returns the exact match. Okay, press and enter, and there we go. You see the surface is of the Earth pulled out from our table. Let me do the same for the last one. You can simply copy paste the formula and edit it. That is also be okay as long as you have a same table, since you have fixed your table. Okay, now let me edit this formula. I have copied and pasted. Now I'm looking at the Earth value, so lookup value is the Earth. Range is already fixed, but the mass is in the column number 4. 1 2 3 4, fourth column. Choose 4 and leave it at 0. There you go. This is the mass of the Earth pulled out from your table. Let me find out for the mass, and there we go. These are the data, right? Compared to VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP has very limited application because almost all data in Excel are represented in rows and columns, wherein the columns are actually having the index value and rows will have the specification value or the descriptions. So 99% you end up only using VLOOKUP, but HLOOKUP is very useful to know, good to know feature. When as requirement comes, yes, the HLOOKUP will be in your knowledge to be picked up. Right, that's it for today. Practice it well daily. One formula, a daily dose. Okay, signing off for the video, myself Dayanand with your Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Subscribe for more videos. Please like if you have liked my work. Please leave a comment that motivates me to get more and more quality contents. Right, it takes time to design all the Excel and record a video, sit and speak in front of the computer. It's just not an easy task, right? Without your motivation, without your support, this will definitely be not possible. But thank you for supporting me. Thanks again. Happy learning, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.